Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate every one of you. In today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how I make rosemary and clove oil to moisturize my daughter's hair. Keep watching guys, let me take you guys along. Let me show you guys how I achieve this oil, how I make this oil. Thank you so much. Okay guys, this is my rosemary. It's well cleaned and dried, and also I have my clove that I will be using. I have about 2 tablespoons of clove. You can use as many as you want, depends on how much oil that you need. What I'm going to do right now, I will take the rosemary out of the stem. Okay, I'm just plucking the rosemary out of the stem. Then after doing this, I will go ahead and use my mortar and pestle. Okay, you can use your blender for this process, but I'm using my mortar and my pestle to do this process. I'm just going to crush the clove until they are in a powder form. Thank you so much everyone for clicking on this video. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you'll be notified so that whenever I post a video. And please don't forget to like and follow my Facebook page also. I really appreciate every one of you for the love and the support. Okay guys, now I've gotten the consistency that I want. Now is in a powder form. Then I'll take my container. Okay, I'm just going to use this jar. I'll pour it into this bottle container. Then I'll keep it aside. Then I'll go ahead and crush my rosemary also with my mortar and pestle. I'll crush it. The reason why I'm crushing the rosemary, I just want by the time I put the oil, so that the rosemary will infuse properly inside the oil. That's why I decided to crush it. You can just leave it at it like as it is without crushing it, but I think when you crush it, that is when you get more infused rosemary. Now this is what I want. Now I'll add it to the clove. I'll add it inside the bottle. Then I'll do the rest part of the rosemary. You can do this process with your blender. Okay, you can just pour everything inside your blender and just crush it up a little bit. Okay, but I just want to use the traditional method. That's why I'm using my mortar and pestle. I'll crush it up a little bit. It doesn't have to be smooth, you just have to crush it a little bit. Then I'll add it to the container also. That's it. As you can see, I'm just going to add it inside the container. After doing this, the next step is for me to add in my oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use olive oil, you can use any oil of your choice. Okay, any oil that you have at home, you can go ahead and use it. It all depends on you. I will be using 2 cups of grapeseed oil. I'll pour it inside. That's 1 cup. You can use as many oil that you want. If you want a lot of oil, you can go ahead and use like 3 or 4 cups of oil. Depends on the quantity that you want. For this recipe, I'm using 2 cups of grapeseed oil. Then I'll mix it very well. While I was doing this, I have water that is boiling on top of the fire. Okay, I went ahead and boiled my water on top of the fire. I'm just mixing it together and mix it properly. Then I'll cover it up and I'll take it to the water that is boiling on top of the fire. I'll cover it up. Then I'll take it to the fire. As I said earlier, I have my water. This is my boiling water. I'm just going to put it inside the water. Then I'll lower the heat and allow it to stay there for about 15 minutes, okay? Okay guys, this is 15 minutes later. I allow it to cool down properly. Then I will stir it together. I'll give it a mix. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take a cloth and I'll wrap it up, and I will keep the oil in a very dark place inside my kitchen cabinet. I left this oil for 2 weeks, guys. I left it for 2 weeks. You can decide to leave for 7 days, 3 days, 4 days, but the more you leave the oil, the more the clove and rosemary will infuse properly. This is 2 weeks later. This is exactly 14 days later. As you can see, this is my oil. This is 14 days later. I make sure I shake it properly. Then I'll get my cheesecloth. That's my cheesecloth. I'm just going to pour it inside the cheesecloth and I'll strain it. If you don't have a cheesecloth, you can use your regular strainer to do this process. And make sure I strain it properly to get all the oil out of the rosemary. Thank you so much, my lovely families, for watching my videos. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love, the support, for always coming back to watch my videos. I appreciate you guys. May God bless you. If you are new, please don't forget to like and follow. Please don't forget to share, because sharing is caring. Then after straining the oil, I will go ahead and pour it into my container that I will be using. I'm just pouring it inside this plastic container. Make sure you sterilize your container that you will use so that your oil will last longer, okay? Look at the color, guys. This oil is very infused. 14 days, that's how long I kept the oil. And it smells so good. It smells so amazing. Then after doing this, I'll show you guys how I will use this oil on my daughter's hair. You can use this oil as a pre-poo, like hot oil treatment for your hair. This is my daughter's hair. I'll put my daughter's hair into a cornrow, then and I will use this oil to moisturize our scalp. As you can see, I'm just rubbing it in our scalp. Then I'll use my hand, my fingertip to massage our scalp very well. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate every one of you. I appreciate the love. You can do this process maybe twice a week. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate you guys. Also, you can use this oil to do a hot oil treatment. As I said earlier, heat it up a little bit, allow it to be hot a little bit, use it to massage your scalp, then you wash it out. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I appreciate the love, the support. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys. Bye.